Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Mi 9 Lite, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide sensitive notifications on lock screen on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our settings. Now we have to get to the notifications and control center option, and here we have to choose lock screen. Now as you can see, here we have show notification and content, and we can just get to don't show lock screen notifications, and that's how you can hide them. That's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.